Hello everyone, good morning. Hi, how are you all? I'm just hoping that you all are fine there. But the problem that what I'm facing here is your completion work. I'm not finding you people are completing the work daily. Because yesterday, what question I had asked you to complete, there must be some doubts in it. There has to be. And if you do not have doubt, that means two things might happen. One, you did not solve any question, and second, you did not bother to get the correct answer. So see that you whenever solve anything, I can easily understand looking at your doubts. There can be possibility that the question is wrong. There can be possibility that the way or the method is different required for that particular question. That means honesty is very much required, and I can easily understand whether you have solved it honestly or no. So, no problem. Don't think about it. Just, I'm telling you, follow the way, follow the methods. Each day, whatever work I'm telling you, you have to complete that at any cost. Clear? So, आज का काम, today's work. I want you have to send me each and every question from 6 till 13 maybe. I think till 13 we have to solve today. So from 6th question till 13th question you have to send it to me today. And I'm telling this in the video only, not in the WhatsApp group, so that I will understand whether you are watching video on time or no. So before 9 o'clock, 9 in the evening, before 9 o'clock, I want your all the questions solved on the group or to my personal number. Okay, so let's get started. So we started understanding the distance formula in coordinate geometry topic. What is distance formula? Any distance AB can be written as under root x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. You must have got a practice of solving or finding distances when coordinates are given, right? So now we are moving ahead with the application of this formula. Yesterday only it was an introductory part. अभी application start करते हैं, ठीक है? As we got to know, order is not important and also on. But anyway, let's start understanding. Question number 6. It is about collinearity. That means whether three points are collinear or they are non-collinear, I can easily understand by just by finding the distance. Okay, how will I do that? It's a simple idea. In case if I have these 3 points A, B and C and they are collinear, that means they are on a straight line, right? So if they are collinear, then don't you think that AB plus BC is going to be equal to AC? That means addition of two segments will be equal to the complete side AC. But is that going to happen in terms of these 3 points ABC? Is that going to happen that AB plus BC is going to be equal to AC? No. So when points are collinear, then only this is true, and when they are non-collinear, it is not true. Now this kind of a phenomenon of the Euclid's geometry in last year that what you have seen is going to be helpful here in solving this question. So let us see the question. First of all, I'll consider let A be 6 comma 9, B 0 comma 1 and C minus 6 comma minus 7. I will find out all the distances AB, BC and AC. What is AB here? X2 minus x1 the whole square. You know that now. 6 minus 0, order is not going to matter here, plus 9 minus 1 the whole square. Now I am going to write everything directly. 6 square 36, 9 minus 1 8 square 64. So 36 plus 64, here is 100, that is root of 100 which is 10. So here we have 10 in it. BC, let's go for BC. So it is 0 minus of minus 6, so 0 plus 6 the whole square plus 1 minus of minus 7, that means 1 plus 7 the whole square. Here we have again 36 plus 64 and 10 unit again. Last one, that is we calculated BC, right? We need AC as well. 6 minus of minus 6, that means 6 plus 6. right? 6 plus 6 the whole square plus 9 minus of minus 7, that means 9 plus 7 the whole square, which is 12 square 144 and 256, 16 square, which is 400. Addition is 400 and it is unit 20, right? So what I get here is nothing but AB plus BC, which is equal to 10 plus 10, which is 20, and is that equal to AC? Yes. Therefore A, B, C are collinear. Isn't it a simple idea? A very simple idea. So I hope you can solve the question B as well. Okay, and as I said, there can be doubt for any of the question which is I'm going to tell you. There can be doubt, and I purposely do not clear the doubt in the video so that I can easily understand whether you are solving it honestly or no. Okay, so let's go ahead for the next question. It's an easy idea, isn't it? कोलिनियर, कुछ नहीं करना, तीन डिस्टेंस फाइंड करो, दोनों का एडिशन शुड बी इक्वल टू द थर्ड वन, कोई भी टू साइड्स का एडिशन कैन बी इक्वल टू द थर्ड वन. चलो, let's go for the next one. Now this is a very interesting word which you can see here, equidistant. This is seventh question in fact. Equidistant. Equidistant का मतलब होता है distance is equal. If x comma 0, okay, let I consider a b x comma 0, which is equidistant from, so the distance is equal from b if I take 5 comma 4 and c which is minus 2 comma 3. What do you mean by equidistant? Can you tell me? The meaning of equidistant is distance is equal. That means this says that AB is equal to AC. Hope you understand that. Equidistant, AB is equal to AC. Now AB is nothing but a distance, so I'll write it in the distance formula. So write it as a distance formula, AB. So whenever, remember this rule, whenever you get a variable in the coordinate, take that variable as a first coordinate. Okay, take that variable as first. So as it is, order is not going to matter, so I would just suggest you a simple thing, that go for variable first. Okay, ये क्या हो गया इसका? Just a minute, let it come. I'll just pause till that time. Okay, so here it is. So as I said, variable should be taken as a first. So AB, x minus 5 the whole square plus 0 minus 4 the whole square. I hope you understand. AC, x minus of minus 2, that means x plus 2 the whole square plus 0 minus 3 the whole square. Now the square root from both the side can be cancelled if I square both the side, right? So I can cancel the square root from the both sides. So my major problem is been sorted of that square root, isn't it? Now x minus 5 the whole square. Please make sure that this square and square root won't get cancelled because there is a plus sign in between. Okay. X minus 5 the whole square. It is x square minus 10x plus 25. So I don't think I need to explain how this has come. It is a minus b the whole square, right? Here again, can you tell me? It is going to be x square plus 4x plus 4. I'm just hoping that you are understanding this expansion. It is a plus b the whole square plus 9, of course. Now we got a simple equation. May be quadratic, may not be quadratic. But one thing is true, that x square can get cancelled. So it is not going to be quadratic anymore. I can shift this 4x the other side. I get minus 14x. Dekh lo, minus 10x minus 4x minus 14x is equals to 9 minus 25 plus 16 is 41. So minus 41. I hope you understand. And plus 4 as well. Okay, we have plus 4 here. Okay. So minus 14x is equals to 41 minus 13. 41 minus 13. 11 minus 3 is 8. 1 carry 28. So it is going to be minus 28. So I get x is equals to 2. That's it. My answer is done. Clear? Hope you are getting it. A very simple thing. Equidistant word itself says that distances are equal. And distance का मेरा typical formula मेरे पास है, that is distance formula. I can easily get the answer by setting a simple equation, right? let's go ahead. The same concept again. Only thing is that in 8th question, if you check, xy is equidistant from, that means both the points are unknown, but still it's okay. Let, I'm solving 8th question. A x comma y is equidistant from b 5 comma 1 and c minus 1 comma 5. So these distances are equal. So now let us find out the equation. Here is AB is equals to AC. I hope you understand that this time I am not asked to find out x and y. Instead I am asked to find out relation between x and y. Now what do you mean by relation between x and y? Relation का मतलब होता है equation. Okay, so you don't have to unnecessarily worry for it. It is just simple equation I have to get. This time I don't even have to find out the answer. I have to just get the equation. So relation का मतलब होता है equation. Let's find out AB and then we have AC. As I have already stated, whenever you have variable in the coordinate, that coordinate should be taken first. So I get here x minus 5 the whole square plus y minus 1 the whole square, x minus of minus 1, that means x plus 1 the whole square plus y minus 5 the whole square. Clear? Square root get cancelled from both the sides. I have to just expand all that. It's going to be a bit longer, but don't worry, it's going to be very, very simple for you. X square minus 10x plus 25 plus y square minus 2x plus 1 is equals to x square plus 2x plus 1 plus y square minus 10y plus 25. That's it. Okay. What else can get cancelled? Let us see. X and y, please don't jumble. X square and y square of course get cancelled. Okay. So let us try for the x terms bringing together. So minus 12x is my term here. I think यहाँ पे y है. Don't forget that. And then we have plus 8y. Okay, clear. 25 plus 1 is 26. 25 plus 1 is 26 again. So this 25 and the 1 and 1 get cancelled is equals to 0. Right, there is nothing as a constant term left. So I got the equation. Only thing is that I can simplify it by multiplying by 4 or dividing by 4. I get 3 minus 3 x plus 2y is equals to 0. I even can multiply or divide by minus 1. So I get 3x minus 2y is equals to 0 as a relation in x and y. So कुछ नहीं था. It was a very, very silly question. Clear? ओके ये पूरा क्लियर हो जाता है. इक्वेशन तो आया नहीं. ओके clear? I'm just hoping that you got it. Let's go for the next question which is there right now on the board. Find a point on y-axis which is equidistant from these 2 points. Again the same question लेकिन कुछ point दिए नहीं है हमें. But y-axis पे point है. I hope you know that कि point on x-axis होता है always x, 0. And point on y-axis will be always 0, y. Right? Getting it? Okay, so this is very important points that what you understand here, that any point on y-axis always to be written as 0, y, and any point on x-axis to be always written as x, 0. Okay, so keep in mind, last year also we have discussed about it, the point on x-axis and point on y-axis. तो y-axis का जो x coordinate होता है वो 0 होता है, and x-axis अगर point हो तो y coordinate 0 होता है. Okay, remember that. So this is the point on y-axis. Okay, so what you have to remember here, point on y-axis क्या होता है? Let the point be a 0, y, or it can be 0, b or anything as such. ठीक है? Either it can be 0, y or 0, b. There is no problem as such. And it is equidistant from what? From b minus 5, minus 2 and c 3, 2. So what do I understand here? AB is equals to AC and बाकी basic concept तो same ही है. उसके बाद you can easily find the answer. Okay, I just wanted to give you a hint. I did not really want to solve this question. Fine, you can try this question. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. Even this is a similar kind of question, similar category, but only thing is that the variable is at a other place. If 0 comma 2, so let, I'm talking about 10th question, let p I can take, or maybe okay चलो a ही लेते हैं. A 0 comma 2 is equidistant from b 3 comma p and c p comma 5. So I know that AB is equals to AC. You remember the hint I gave you, one trick I told you, that always take the variable first, the variable as a coordinate first. तो यहाँ पे वेरिएबल इधर है, तो आई विल बी टेकिंग दैट फर्स्ट. सो 3 comma 0 3 minus 0 the whole square plus p minus 2 the whole square. Similarly the other side, p minus 0 the whole square plus 5 minus 2 the whole square. This will always help you, I am telling you. Taking variable first will always help you. So this will be 9 plus p square minus 4p plus 4 is equals to p square plus 3 square 9 again. Okay, so 9 and 9 is getting cancelled, p square get cancelled. Okay, done. I got the answer. Okay, I think it is 1, p is equals to 1. So I hope you are clearly getting the point, clearly understanding. Okay, in 11th question, if you check, x comma y is equidistant from these 2 points, and nothing to prove here, but you need to get the equation, that means relation. You have to get the relation. तो ये थोड़ा सा HOTS क्वेश्चन है, दिस कम अंडर HOTS कैटेगरी. तो आज हम लोग ये नहीं करेंगे, विल नॉट गो फॉर इट, बट इफ़ यू रियली वांट टू ट्राई, यू कैन ट्राई. Okay, to try this question you need x plus y plus z the whole square formula. ये formula आपको पता होना चाहिए. This was there last year, we have already discussed all this, but still if you could send this to me, I'll be very happy. Okay, otherwise in the coming days we'll be completing it, don't worry. Next देखते हैं. Here we have another question. Distance between this point and this point is 5 units. This time it is not about what do you say, finding or getting the equidistant and then finding the value. Here we are given directly distance. Okay, we are given directly distance, and then I have to find out the value of k. Okay, so what I have to do here, let us see. We have a 1 comma 2 and b minus 2 comma k. So I know that ab is equals to under root of a variable should be taken first. So this coordinate should be taken first. So minus 2 minus 1 the whole square plus k minus 2 the whole square. Clear? AB is given. What is AB? 5 is equals to under root of 9 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 square 9 plus k square minus 4k plus 4. Now, unlike our previous questions where the square root was getting cancelled, here the square root can't get cancelled. I hope you understand. Square root won't get cancelled. So instead I have to do squaring both the side, which was in fact we used to do the last questions as well, in sake of cancelling the square root. So here I'll square both the side. Okay, I'll square both the side. So if I square both the side, I get 25 is equals to 9 plus k square minus 4k plus 4. One thing you must be understanding here, that k square is not getting cancelled. So what do you think? Isn't it? It is going to be a quadratic equation. And you know that quadratic equation can be solved by a very simple way. That is, first of all converting into standard form and then using simple factorization or quadratic formula method. तो equal to 0 यहाँ पे करता हूँ मैं. K square minus 4k. Now let us check. 4 plus 9 is 13. 25 minus 13 is going to be 12, I think. 12, right? So minus 12. So can we solve this quadratic equation? Minus 12 can be factorized 6 2, and the sign is yes, minus 6 plus 2. That's it. You can easily solve. Now you must be worried for both answers, two double answers. Okay, and let me tell you, both are correct. This time the value of k, that means it is a coordinate, It can be positive as well as it can be negative. So it is very clear now that you get the k value positive or negative. That means both answers are correct. Clear? So you can write this k is equals to this or this. That's it. Can you solve this? Similarly, you can solve the 13th question as well. 14th is again HOTS. No, it's not HOTS. It's simple. कुछ नहीं है HOTS का HOTS. Simple question है. Okay, let's talk about the 14th question. It's easy. बहुत ही ज़्यादा simple है. There's A and B points which are on the circle and center is this. So if I take a circle in this way, this is center O which is 2,3. ठीक है. Here is A which is 4,3 and this is B which is x,5. अभी मैं x फाइंड कर सकता हूँ. कैसे? What do you think OA and OB are? Radii of the circle. And how are they supposed to be? Equal. That's it. So what do I get here is nothing but OA is equals to OB. तो यहाँ पे स्क्वायर रूट लेके डिस्टेंस लिखा, यहाँ पे स्क्वायर रूट लेके डिस्टेंस लिखा, स्क्वायर निकाला, रूट कैंसिल किया एंड गेट द आंसर फॉर एक्स. एक्स मिल जाएगा आपको. ट्राई वर्किंग ऑन इट. लेकिन आज टुडे आई वॉन्ट ऑल योर आंसर्स टू बी सेंड टू मी. ऑल दीज आंसर्स. तो कहाँ से आपको कंप्लीट करना है? लेट मी टेल यू. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 to question number 14. I want you all to send it to me. Okay, I'll be noting down and I'll be calling you back. Fine. So I want all these answers sent to me, so with solutions. And question number 11 was HOTS. If you can do, you can do it. Otherwise, you can just skip that. Okay. So hoping before 9 o'clock, I want all this right exactly on my personal number. Okay. So bye bye. See you tomorrow with the new concept of the same topic, coordinate geometry. Bye bye.
The Euclides of Brothers का